In a small house, deep in the forest, lived 7 little kids with their mother. It was a difficult winter, and they had very little food. One day, the mama goat gathered the kids and told them, "My little kids, I'm going out to look for food. Be very careful. The wolf is near, and he wants to eat us. So do not open the door until I return." Mama Goat took her basket and her shawl and left the house. Moments later, there was a knock at the door. "Knock, knock, knock!" "Who is it?" asked the little kids. "It's your mother. Open the door." "No, you are not our mother. She has a sweet voice, not a deep, gruff voice." The wolf turned around and left. He quickly prepared some egg whites and ate them. Seconds later, his voice was clear and soft, so he decided to return to the house. "Knock, knock. Who is it?" asked the 7 little kids. "I'm your mother. Open." "It's her," said one of the little kids. But the older one insisted, "Show us your foot under the door." The wolf showed his foot, and the little kid screamed, "No, you are not our mother. She has white feet. Yours are dirty and black." The wolf was desperate, so he went to the mill and stuck his feet into the flour until they were white. The wolf returned to the house. "Knock, knock. Who is it?" asked the little kids. "I'm your mother. Open." "Show us your foot under the door." When they saw the white foot, they opened the door, and the wolf jumped at them. He ate them all except for one. The littlest kid was hiding inside a box. When the mama goat arrived, the littlest kid told her what had happened. Together they left to look for the wolf. They found him laying down next to the river. He was asleep with a very full belly. Mama Goat opened his full belly with a pair of her scissors, and the little kids came out and were very happy to see her. They took some rocks and put them in the belly of the wolf until it was full. Then they sewed it up and ran away. When the wolf woke up, he was very thirsty, so he leaned over to drink some water. But his belly was too heavy, so he fell right into the water. The current in the river carried him away, very far away, until he disappeared. Since that day, the 7 little kids were never afraid, and they were very happy all winter long. To the young and old, this tale has been told.